Now I want to show you again to help you identify by sight various multimedia connection interfaces. The first one is Video Graphics Array. This is a super old graphics port. Monitors still actually will have a VGA port because sometimes, well, you could be connecting to a computer that's super old that only supports VGA, or you might be doing multi-monitor and you might have to make use of old ports in addition to newer ones. VGA does support HD, by the way. The digital video interface DVI is more common, whereas VGA is an analog connector. DVI, just by the D will tell you, is dedicated video. You do need to know the different DVI form factors. We'll look at that in just a minute. Note that neither VGA or DVI can carry audio. They're strictly for video. By contrast, the HDMI interface is very similar to USB. It's an easier to use interface. You don't have those thumb screws to worry about. It carries both digital and audio signals, all digital. I'm a big fan. I love HDMI. And I love the fact that more and more computers nowadays, especially laptops, will have onboard HDMI interfaces, and monitors, any computer monitor worth its salt, will have an HDMI input. As far as the audio side of the spectrum, if you're using VGA or DVI, you may have to use a 1/8" tip ring sleeve TRS connector like this to do analog audio. If you've ever heard of Toslink, these are fiber optic cables that are used for digital audio. They come to the forefront sometimes as well.